Hello Mother! Happy birthday! Ingat po kayo palagi ni Papa Elvis. And more stars to come.
Hi Mother Earth! Happy birthday! First of all, before anything else, thank you po sa lahat ng nandyan kasama ni Mama. Mama, you are supported, you are surrounded with very good people. Thank you Ninang Michelle for organizing this. And sa lahat po ng andyan ngayon. So to Mother Earth, happy 60th birthday. As they say, age is just a number. You are glowing, so good. You look so young. And yun, sana all na lang tayo. I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the support and sacrifices that you've done. Kahit super layo mo, kahit at the age of like 2 years old, you went abroad just to provide us a better life. And yeah, thank you for everything you and Papa is doing and the support that you're giving up until now. Yeah, you enjoy your life, you enjoy being 60, you enjoy what you are doing now, more traveling, and may God give you whatever your heart's desires are, and good health always. Love you.
Joyous anniversary!
Bye.
Hello Abalayan, happy birthday. Sa pala ko mata nakaragkat ti bagbagi tayo ngagnanayon. Kaya doon kay kini Abalayan ni Elvis. Kaya natin ni Abalayan ni sa pala ko mata may yuray ko. Inumanta.
Hello Abalayan, happy birthday. Always good health. Ingat kayo dito kanayon and enjoy. Happy birthday again Abalayan.
Happy birthday, Tita. I wish you a lot of laughter, love, and for all your wishes to come true. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight.
Happy birthday, Mamo!
Happy birthday, Tita!
More birthday to come. Stay healthy. God bless you. We
We love you!
Mwah!
Ingat!
Hello, Tita! Happy birthday! And more blessings to come. Ken agal-alwad kayo kanayon, Tita.
Happy birthday! Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep safe always.
God bless, Tita.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Rose. May God continue to shower you with more blessings and good health. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Tita! More blessings and good health.
God bless you. Happy birthday
Birthday naman siya.
Austin.
Happy birthday! Ganun.
Ading, happy birthday, Rosie. Sapay ko mading, ta kastula tipya kang karadkat tayo, aming nga pada-pada, ta ano masagrap tayo, tar arapa apon tayo tibiyag. Kat happy birthday ading 60 mo. Kat maabot tayo paiti, ureno maabot tayo paiti 80 kanyak, ti arapa ko nga maabot. Okay, happy birthday. Sino man Love you.
Happy birthday, Ading. Welcome to the club. 60 mon. Sapay kumata oreno nadanong tayo ti kakasta ay nakaratkat basta nakaratkat tayo nga kanayon. Happy birthday, Ading.
Sister, happy birthday! Welcome to the club! Happy birthday! Sana gabayan na ka ni Lord nga kanayon. God bless you and good health. Happy birthday! Thank you sa amin.
Ready?
Thank you sa handa.
Yes!
No,
Happy
no,
birthday!
19.
Abang kagingatan. Abang kagingtukwadeng.
Buffet.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
May sapay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday, Auntie Rosie. Happy 60th birthday. Age is just a number they say, but 60 is a blessing. Turning 60 is a blessing, and it's a milestone that is denied to many. So it should be celebrated. And lucky for you that you are celebrating it with good people. And I pray that God continue to bless you with good people and continue to inspire others and continue to do you as you've always been doing. So, well, congratulations, you're a senior citizen, dual citizenship they say. So enjoy life to the fullest as you have been doing now. Take it slow because life should be enjoyed. Take it slow. You've been working so hard all your life, and looking back, we're only like 11 years old apart. You were like 11 or 12 when you take care of me. So thank you, salamat for your love back then, for your patience, and I'm grateful that I have you as my aunt. Thank you, Auntie, for your generosity. May God continue to bless you, guide you, and protect you. I wish you good health and many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Auntie Rosie.
Happy 60th birthday, Mama Rose. You don't look like you are 60 at all. I hope you enjoy your birthday and may God bless you. I am very thankful for all the gifts you have given me. It's been a pleasure having those bags, perfumes, and having to try those chocolates all the way from Paris thanks to you. Thank you so much, Mama Rose, and I hope you really enjoy your special day. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Enjoy. From Paris with love.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose. Ingat po kayo dyan. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat ng tulong sa amin. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose. More birthdays to come. Thank you po sa lahat ng pagsuporta.
Sige na. Happy birthday sa inyo na.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan. Thank you po. Sa lahat.
Love you.
I wouldn't give from this moment I will as long